Want to reset IDM after the 30-day trial runs out? In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. First, launch your preferred browser and then type in IDM trial reset GitHub. Now click on this very first one website, J2 team. Once you're over here, scroll down, then click on the option here. You'll be directed to this page. Scroll down and click on this option, IDM trial reset. A folder will be downloaded. Once completion of its download process, launch it. It's gonna be a zip file. Click extract to unzip the folder. Open the extracted folder. Now double click on the file. You're gonna find this option, trial reset. You will need to click on that. Click on reset the IDM trial now and go through the process. You can also enable the automatic option if you want to reset automatically in the future. That's it. Your IDM trial has now been reset for another 30 days. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.